Hi there, friends! Welcome to our tracing adventure. Today, we're going to have so much fun tracing shapes and lines together. And guess what? We have a special printable tracing worksheet. Just for you. Ask your parents to click the link below to download it so you can follow along with your crayons or pencils as we trace together. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's start with a straight line. Place your crayon at the beginning of the line. Now, move it across. Nice and straight. Ready? Let's trace together. Let's try another one. Great job! Next, let's trace a curve. Start at the bottom and follow the curve up and around, just like a big smile. Ready? Let's trace it together, up and around. Wonderful! You're doing great! Curves are so much fun! Now let's try a zigzag. It's like going up and down, just like a mountain. Start at the bottom and go up, down. Ready? Let's trace the zigzag together. Wow, you're doing a fantastic job! Now, let's trace a circle. A circle goes round and round, just like the sun. Start at the top and follow the dotted line all the way around. Ready? Let's trace the circle. Round and round we go. Look at that perfect circle! You're doing awesome! Now, let's trace a square. A square has 4 straight sides. Start at the top and draw a line across, then down, across again, and finally, back up. Ready? Let's trace it. One, 2, 3, 4. We made a square! Next, let's trace a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. Start at the top and draw a line down, then another line down the other side, and finally connect the bottom. Ready? Let's trace it together. Down, down, and across. 3 sides, and there's our triangle! Great job! Now, let's try a rectangle. It's like a square, but two sides are longer. Start at the top, draw a long line across, then down, another long line across, and finally, back up. Ready? Let's trace the rectangle together. 1, 2, 3, 4. You did it! A perfect rectangle. Let's trace a special shape, a star. Stars are tricky, but we can do it. Start at the top, go down, up, and back to the top. Ready? Let's trace the star together. Wow! You traced a beautiful star! You're a superstar! You've done an amazing job today! We traced lines, circles, squares, triangles, rectangles, and even a star! Keep practicing at home, and you'll be a tracing expert in no time! Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to have fun tracing your shapes! See you next time for more fun learning adventures! Bye-bye, friends!